Right now, without you feeling a thing, the entire Milky Way is moving. Not orbiting, not drifting, falling. Every star you have ever seen, our sun, our planet, you, all of it is being pulled through space at 600 kilometers every single second. And for decades, no one could tell us what we were falling toward. Because whatever it is hidden behind the one part of the sky we cannot see through. It started as an error. In the 1970s, astronomers measuring the cosmic microwave background, the leftover heat from the Big Bang itself, found something that should not have been there. The radiation was slightly hotter on one side of the sky and colder on the other. That imbalance had only one explanation. We were moving. The whole galaxy was rushing toward one specific point in the sky, and the heat map was our speedometer. But here is the problem. When they looked at where we were headed, there was nothing there big enough to pull us. Whatever was doing the pulling had a mass of tens of thousands of galaxies. Astronomers gave it a name that says everything about how little we understood it. They called it the Great Attractor. And then it got worse. Because the Great Attractor sits directly behind the most frustrating object in the night sky, our own galaxy. From where we stand, the dense core of the Milky Way, its dust, its gas, its 100 billion stars, blocks our view of exactly the region we most need to see. Astronomers call it the Zone of Avoidance. For most of history, it was a blind spot. Whatever was pulling us could have been anything. A supercluster, a wall of dark matter, something we had no name for at all. So they cheated. They used X-rays and radio waves, light that can punch through the dust the human eye cannot. And slowly, behind the curtain of our own galaxy, shapes began to appear. What they found was a monster, a massive cluster of galaxies called Norma, sitting right at the heart of the pull. But even Norma wasn't enough. Add up everything we could see, and it still only explained part of the force dragging us in. Something bigger was still hiding behind it. The answer was further out than anyone expected. 650 million light-years away lies the largest concentration of mass in our corner of the universe, the Shapley Supercluster. More than 8,000 galaxies bound together, glowing with the combined gravity of 10 million billion suns. The Great Attractor, it turned out, was not the destination. It was a waypoint. We are being pulled past it, towards Shapley, riding a river of galaxies all flowing the same direction. And our entire local group is just one drop in that current. But the strangest discovery was not what is pulling us. It was what is pushing us. In 2017, a team mapping the flow of galaxies found that our motion couldn't be explained by attraction alone. On the opposite side of the sky from Shapley, there was a region with almost nothing in it, a vast cosmic void, and that emptiness was repelling us. It sounds impossible. How can nothing push? But in a universe where matter pulls, a region with less matter than average pulls less hard, and the difference shoves everything away from it. We are being squeezed, pulled toward Shapley on one side, pushed by the Dipole Repeller on the other, caught between a wall of galaxies and an ocean of empty space. All of it together forms a structure so large it has its own name, Laniakea, our home supercluster. 100,000 galaxies, 500 million light-years across. And the Milky Way sits near its very edge, on the outskirts of something we only discovered the shape of a decade ago. So here is where that leaves us. We are falling at 600 kilometers a second toward a mass we still cannot fully see, past a monster we only found by looking through our own galaxy, dragged by the largest structures in existence, and we will never arrive. The expansion of the universe is pulling everything apart faster than gravity can reel us in. We are reaching for a shore we will never touch. Everything you know is in motion towards something it will never reach. And the only reason we know any of it is because someone refused to accept that a warm patch in the sky was just an error. If this rearranged your sense of where you are, subscribe. The universe gets stranger from here.